From wild coastlines to snow-covered peaks, Washington State is a land where nature puts on one of its greatest shows. Every turn reveals something different. Misty mountains, deep green forests, endless rivers, and cities that blend perfectly into the landscape. This is a place that feels both untamed and peaceful, where adventure lives right next to calm reflection. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. I'd love to know. Now, let's take off on a stunning aerial journey across the Pacific Northwest, exploring the most breathtaking sights that make Washington truly unforgettable. One, Mount Rainier National Park, towering nearly 14,500 feet above sea level. Mount Rainier is Washington's most iconic peak and an active volcano covered in ice and snow. It's surrounded by wildflower meadows, glaciers, and hiking trails that attract millions every year. From the air, it looks like the crown of the Pacific Northwest, standing tall over everything. Two, Olympic National Park. A world of contrasts, from rugged coastlines to mossy rainforests and snow-capped mountains, Olympic National Park is like three parks in one. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its incredible biodiversity. You can literally walk from a beach full of driftwood to a mountain forest in the same day. Three, Seattle, the city of glass, music, and innovation. Seattle is where modern life meets natural beauty. The Space Needle rises high above the skyline, with Mount Rainier and Puget Sound in the background. From above, the city shines like a mosaic of blue water and green parks. Have you ever seen Seattle from the sky? Tell me in the comments. It's a view you'll never forget. Four, Snoqualmie Falls. Just 30 minutes from Seattle, Snoqualmie Falls is a 268-foot waterfall that feels straight out of a fantasy film. It's one of Washington's most visited spots and holds deep spiritual meaning for local Native American tribes. The roar of the water is powerful, even more stunning from a drone's eye view. 5. San Juan Islands, floating between mainland Washington and Canada. The San Juan Islands are a quiet paradise of green forests and blue waters. They're famous for whale watching, especially orcas that glide gracefully through the sea. From the air, the islands look like emeralds, scattered across the ocean. If you could spend a weekend anywhere in Washington, would it be here or in the mountains? Drop your pick in the comments. 6. Lake Chelan. This long, narrow lake stretches over 50 miles, surrounded by rolling vineyards and mountain slopes. It's one of the deepest lakes in the United States and shines with crystal clear water. Aerial views reveal a ribbon of deep blue cutting through golden hills, truly mesmerizing. 7. North Cascades National Park. Nicknamed the American Alps, North Cascades National Park is one of the most rugged and dramatic mountain ranges in the U.S. With more than 300 glaciers and endless pine valleys, it's a dream for photographers and adventurers alike. The park is often overlooked, making its untouched beauty even more special. 8. Deception Pass. This narrow strait connects the Puget Sound to the Strait of Juan de Fuca, and it's famous for its swirling tides and the historic bridge that spans across it. Flying over Deception Pass is unforgettable. Turquoise waters rushing below cliffs and forests that stretch endlessly in every direction. Would you be brave enough to cross that bridge? Let me know in the comments. I think I'd stop just to take in the view. 9. Palouse Region. In southeastern Washington lies the Palouse, a rolling sea of green and gold farmland. These smooth, wave-like hills look almost painted from above, changing color with every season. The patterns are so mesmerizing that many drone pilots call it one of the most beautiful aerial landscapes in America. 10. Mount St. Helens. This volcano made history when it erupted in 1980, reshaping the land around it forever. Today, Mount St. Helens stands as both a reminder of nature's power and a story of rebirth. Forests have returned, flowers bloom again, and the crater tells a story only time could write. #11. Columbia River Gorge. Carving a natural border between Washington and Oregon, the Columbia River Gorge is a masterpiece of cliffs, waterfalls, and winding rivers. It's one of the best places for windsurfing and photography, especially when the golden sunset hits the water. From the air, it looks like the earth itself opened to reveal its beauty. 12. Mount Baker. Located in the northern Cascades, Mount Baker is one of the snowiest places on the planet. Its white slopes attract skiers in winter and hikers in summer. When viewed from above, it looks like a sleeping giant, surrounded by glaciers, rivers, and endless alpine forests. Which of these places would you love to fly over first? The glowing peaks of Baker or the deep blues of Lake Chelan? Tell me below. Washington State is truly a world within one border, a place where volcanoes meet rainforests and where every sunrise feels like the first day on Earth. It's wild, it's calm, and it's breathtaking from every angle. If you enjoyed this aerial journey, don't forget to subscribe for more breathtaking tours around the world. Hit that like button, share your favorite spot in the comments, and I'll see you in the next adventure.